Lilla spathiphyllum spp. Are popular indoor plants that offer several benefits, making them a valuable addition to any home. Here's why. Having a peace lily plant at home can be beneficial. 1. Air purification. Peace lily are excellent natural air purifiers. They are known to remove a variety of indoor pollutants, including formaldehyde benzene, trichloroethylene xylene, ammonia, and other volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from the air. By improving indoor air quality, peace lily contribute to a healthier living environment, which is especially important in homes with limited ventilation. To low maintenance. Peace lily are relatively easy to care for, making them suitable for both beginner and experienced plant owners. They can thrive in low to medium light conditions, which means they can be placed in various parts of the home, including rooms with less natural light. Additionally, they are forgiving if you occasionally forget to water them, as they can tolerate some degree of neglect. 3. Humidity regulation. Peace lily help maintain indoor humidity levels by releasing moisture into the air through a process known as transpiration. This is particularly beneficial during dry winter months or in air-conditioned environments where indoor air can become dry. Higher humidity levels can reduce the likelihood of respiratory issues and keep your skin from drying out. For aesthetic appeal, peace lily are known for their beautiful, glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers, which add a touch of sophistication to any room. Their aesthetic appeal makes them a popular choice for home decor, whether in living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. The plant's unique appearance can also serve as a focal point in your interior design. 5. Stress reduction and well-being. The presence of plants like peace lily has been shown to reduce stress, promote relaxation, and improve overall mental well-being. The act of caring for plants can be therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and calm. The visual appeal of peace lily can also create a serene and peaceful atmosphere in your home. 6. Non-toxic oxygen production. While peace lily are mildly toxic if ingested, caution is needed if you have pets or small children. They are highly efficient at producing oxygen. This increase in oxygen levels can improve air quality and create a more refreshing indoor environment, contributing to better breathing and overall health. 7. Improving sleep quality. Peace lily can be beneficial in the bedroom, as they continue to release oxygen at night. Unlike many other plants that reduce oxygen production after dark, this can create a more oxygen-rich environment, potentially improving sleep quality. 8. Allergen reduction. Peace lily can help reduce the levels of airborne allergens by trapping dust, mold spores, and other particles on their leaves. Regularly wiping the leaves clean can enhance this benefit, making them ideal for people with allergies. Care tips. Light. Peace lily prefer low to medium indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight as it can scorch their leaves. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. They prefer distilled water or rainwater to avoid chemical buildup. Humidity. They thrive in higher humidity, so consider misting the plant or placing it in a more humid room. like the bathroom temperature. Lila prefer temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep them away from drafts and cold temperatures. So use a well-draining, all-purpose potting soil. And repot every 1 to 2 years to refresh the soil and give the plant more room to grow. These plants are well suited for beginners due to their ability to thrive in various endure conditions and their tolerance of occasional neglect.